Are you planning to build or renovate your home? You must plan termite protection during construction or a renovation stage. But is there any system or permanent fixture in Malaysia? Yes, there is a smart Advance system available. So, what is the Advance Termite System? The system forms a network of pipes to distribute the chemical strategically. The system targets and mitigates termites from soil level itself. Here you can see the chemical distributing to form a chemical barrier. The system is best to install before and during construction. Easy and smart maintenance is one of the features loved by owners. We don't need to enter homes to spray chemicals, thus providing a safer environment. Our system provides injection points in neat boxes to distribute chemical effectively. We work closely with architects, design and build companies, contractors and homeowners. Installation successful for private and government projects. This Malaysian-made system has been installed at the Royal Properties in Dubai.